Hello everyone, today I'll tell you one more very fancy mocktail, two layer based mocktail. Mocktail name is Green Apple Sunset Mocktail. How to make the Green Apple Sunset Mocktail? First of all, take a shaker glass, then you have to pour 30 ml of green apple crush. Okay, after that, you have to pour 60 ml of apple juice. Don't add more apple juice for this mocktail. Okay, you have to pour just 60 ml of apple juice and 5 to 10 ml of lime juice. After that, just fill the glass with lots of ice cube. Okay. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. You have to shake all the ingredients properly. Then take a fancy or tall glass and pour all the mixing ingredients into them. See how the very fancy glass comes. Then just stir it. Then you have what you have to do, take a decanter and you have to pour just 5 ml of grated syrup and simply just fill the glass with soda. Okay. After that, just pour it from the top. You have to pour the. So this is the green apple. Okay. How that is that? Your green apple sunset mocktail is ready. Okay. You can garnish the mocktail with like green apple. Uh, Green apple, not even green apple. Garnish the mint leaf and just garnish the how the fancy color came. Green apple sunset mocktail is ready with the combination of apple juice, green apple crush, pineapple, the lemon juice, green syrup, and soda. See the color of the mocktail. You can enjoy this mocktail. Okay, very fancy mocktail. You can try this, and you can see the color two layer with mocktail is ready. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. And if you want to learn like more and more mocktail video, please just see all my video. Thank you very much. Cheers. Thank you.